I think I might have just cracked the code on how to make your closure wigs look super natural, like this one here. Make sure to keep on watching my video because I am going to break down exactly what I did. I can't say I made it up. I don't know if I made it up, but I'm going to call this like a hybrid wig install, and y'all will see exactly how and what I'm talking about if you keep on watching the video. So let's get into it. The wig is from Nadula Hair. This wig is a glueless unit. It's in the shade 1B30, so highlights and ombre if you're looking for a fall wig with a little bit of color. Not too much, nothing too crazy, you know. It came with a bunch of goodies inside the box, so we love that. And everything that you need to install the wig. I love Nadula Hair. Their quality has always been good. It comes pre-curled, it comes pre-bleached, pre-cut, everything that you need for a wig to be ready straight out of the box. I like the way that it came plucked. I did go in and pluck some more just for my preference, but I think it's okay for a beginner. Adjustable bands in there, everything that you need for the wig to be secure. It does not have side combs. I wish it did, but it's okay. The lace was immaculate. 10 out of 10. I was very satisfied with the lace. That's one of the main things that I'm paying attention to because a lot of these wigs will say HD and then it'd be ashy. So no. We're going to tint the lace with my favorite lace tint spray. This is my exact shade. I never have an issue with this. And if y'all want any of the wig products that I use in my videos, make sure to go check out my Amazon storefront with my list that says Wig Essentials because I have everything that you need there. This is what the wig looks like straight out the box. This is again one of those closures that fits my hairline crazy. And I'm trying to figure out what I was going to do with this wig. I was trying to be innovative. Y'all are watching me think. Y'all are watching me figure out something as I go, and I'm going to be telling you how I did it. So I wanted to do a side part because the last video I had a middle part, so I wanted to switch it up. So I decided to do a deep side part and just map out that framework. This is how you do a deep side part if you didn't know, and doing that C shape just makes it a lot easier. And we're going to hot comb everything and get it out the way so I can tell y'all exactly about this method. So I'm calling it the hybrid method because what I'm doing is essentially mixing the behind the hairline trick with a regular lace wig install. And I'm also going to be mimicking my hairline to make this look the most natural. So that's what you guys are seeing me do. I just shaped out some hair where I know my hairline goes back at, and I'm pulling the hair out in sections. If you do small sections, it'll be easier to pull the hair straight out the lace like that. And then on the other side the same way. I know my hairline goes back in that specific spot, and then I have my low edges. So that's why you see the hairline on the closure come down near the middle of my eyebrow, near my temple, and then it goes back where those bald areas are where I just pulled the hair out. It's the closest to my hairline, okay? That's what you're going to want to do to be able to do this. It's just going to look better. The lace on the side by my ear is clearly behind my hairline, so I just pulled that hair out, took the scissors, and I cut the extra lace off. We're going to spray black spray in between this space that we have here to give the illusion that when you comb your hair back over the lace that you're not going to be seeing any lace. Okay, this is how you do the behind the hairline wig install, but we are on the side because I turned the wig to the side. What I'm essentially doing is pulling out any hair that is left out that's not in the closure. The closure is only a certain amount, a certain size. Where the closure is sitting at on my forehead, I let it stay, and we're going to glue it down, spray it down, whatever your choice is. I'm spraying it down today. And then we're going to pull the hair out on the sides. I'm cutting the excess lace. Although it looks really blended, you don't want to leave that there. It won't look right. So I went ahead and I cut the extra lace, and we're going to pluck a little bit of the hairline out, thin it out so it looks a lot better and, blend a little bit more seamlessly. Again, like I said, spraying the wig down, and I'm doing this in layers. I did like one layer and then I put another layer on, and then I use my hair dryer to just lay all that stuff down. That's why I said that this lace is really good, because I was able to spray this wig down and not have any issues. It was seamless. To me, that makes good lace, and I don't have to, give it a red flag or anything like that. And I just use the back of my comb to just melt it in. I have tried to not spray my wigs on top when I'm laying them down with the spray anymore, because I notice it makes, one, the lace crusty, and two, it makes the hairs in your closure or your frontal come out, and it just doesn't, make it last as long. So that's just a little tip for you guys on what I've been doing to maintain my lace and why I don't spray it on top anymore. So yeah. On the other side, as you can see, we have some hair that is still in underneath the wig and not pulled out. So we're going to pull it out right in front of where the wig stops at and put black spray anywhere that it needs to go. I didn't really have to put any on this side. It was perfectly fine because there is no lace on this side. This is just the side of the wig pretty much. So seamless. What we're trying to achieve is like, you know, when people talk about they're wearing a closure wig and the wind blow and it blow back and you got all that wig showing on the side. So all I did was just pull the hair out so all that wig would not be showing on the side and we just have our natural hair. I took that lace tint with my brush. I always go back in and double back with the lace tint so it's, you know, perfect, because when I spray it on, it's just never enough and you don't want to do too much and then your lace be dark. So I go in with the brush so I can be more precise. And I just keep tapping it until it blends all the way in. Do y'all see this? I'm sitting in front of a window in natural light. There is barely any lace to be shown. We do not have a big ashy line. And where my edges are naturally out, you cannot tell the difference from my edges to the wig. I say this is a win. Let me know what y'all think about this method down in the comments below. Is it a yes or no? If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you are subscribing so you can see all of my videos. I am going to have a video up on how I do my curls, also how to do heatless curls. If you are not doing it and getting that overnight blowout effect, you are missing out, sis. You need to add it to your life, to your routine, and just make your life 10 times easier. You can click the link on the screen to go to that video or in the description box below. Love Nadula hair down. I am a fan of this wig. I'm giving it a 9 out of 10. Very satisfied. So yes, I hope you guys love it and I'll see you on my next video.